Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole and today we're going to be making pistachio cookies. That's right, pistachio cookies are really popular right now. So if you are a lover of pistachio nuts, then this recipe is for you. You might also just be looking for a cookie that is a little bit unique. So don't go anywhere, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's get to it. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the pistachios to a food processor and then pulse until very finely ground in almost a nut butter consistency. Then you can set aside. In a large bowl, add your butter and your sugars and then beat to combine. Go ahead and add your egg, vanilla, and ground pistachios and then again beat to combine. Ensure your baking powder, soda, and flour is evenly dispersed, and slowly start adding to the bowl and continuing to beat until just combined. Next, add your chocolate chips and chunkier pistachios and gently fold. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and then start to scoop out your cookies. You can do them any size you like. I'm doing mine on the larger side. Before going into the oven, top with more chocolate chips and pistachios and salt flakes. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, checking and rotating at halfway. You can store excess cookie dough in the fridge or freezer. Just make sure you wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. It will store well for up to a week in the fridge or up to 3 months in the freezer. Oh my God, these smell sensational. Don't they look beautiful? I love the contrast of the dark chocolate and the pistachio. So pretty. And there's actually like a little bit of pink too with that Himalayan sea salt. These are going to be divine. So I have taken these out at the 10-minute mark, and I like to do that because I like my cookies nice, soft and chewy, crispy around the outside. If you want yours cooked all the way through and that little bit more crunchy, keep them in for another 2 minutes. But these are going to continue to bake. We're gonna let them cool on the tray. If you were to go pick them up now, they just crumble. So we have to let them do their thing, and then soon we can have one. I'm so excited. These look absolutely divine. How good do they look? If I saw these in a cafe, I would not be able to walk by without getting one. Let's give them a go. We have nailed it. There is a really beautiful balance in these cookies. There's a really distinct nutty flavor from that pistachio. I love the buttery and earthy taste of the pistachios, and I don't know about you, but I also find them like very luxurious. They are such a delight to eat. The dark chocolate with the sharper notes is just beautifully paired. I just got a little pop of the salt as well. Check out that. Insanely good. I love that this cookie has the pistachios, not just chunks of it, but also ground down in the base. It's just so amazing. Guys, this is truly a 10 out of 10 recipe. You need to make this recipe. It's also a little bit special. So if you want something that's a really nice, unique treat, this is the cookie recipe for you. If you do like this video, guys, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well. If you do have any recipes that you'd like to know how to make sure you let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate your feedback and support. So thanks for being here with me in the kitchen. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.